Hello guys, in today's quick information video about ChatGPT for gaming. For those of you who don't know what ChatGPT is, it's an artificial intelligence language model designed by OpenAI. It has the ability to converse with users in a natural and human-like way, making it a great tool for a variety of purposes, including gaming. Imagine having a personal gaming assistant who can provide you with real-time tips and strategies, help you troubleshoot technical issues, and even engage in friendly banter with you. That's exactly what ChatGPT can do. So, one of the biggest advantages of using ChatGPT for gaming is its ability to learn from your interactions. As you converse with the AI, it can gather information about your preferences, playstyle, and areas where you might need help. This allows ChatGPT to provide you with more personalized and relevant assistance over time. Another benefit of using ChatGPT for gaming is that it can help you connect with other players. Whether you are looking for teammates or a co-op game, you just to chat with fellow gamers. ChatGPT can help facilitate those instructions. Of course, like any AI, ChatGPT is not perfect. It may occasionally provide incorrect information or misunderstood your requests. However, as the technology continues to improve, we can expect ChatGPT to become an even more valuable tool for gamers. So, if you are looking for a new way to enhance gaming experience, give ChatGPT a try. You may be surprised how helpful and interactive it can be. I asked ChatGPT a question of benefits if it can give me benefits for gaming, and it gave me some benefits. Of course, you can ask it yourself, play with it, see some examples, ask it for examples and use it. So guys, if you need some tutorial for gaming or anything else, please leave a comment, we can do it for you. And I hope you enjoyed this informational video. Please like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.